Miriam had a child from her former husband. Their marriage was annulled 2 years ago. Nemi, her current boyfriend, will marry her by April next year. Nemi told her that he wants Miriam's son to use his surname once they get married. Miriam now asks whether her son can automatically change his surname after she marries Nemi. Miriam, your son can only use Nemi's surname after Nemi files a petition for adoption in court and it is granted. Normally, the rule on our laws on adoption requires that spouses should jointly adopt. However, Section 7 of RA 8552 does not require a joint adoption if one spouse seeks to adopt the legitimate son or daughter of the other. Because your child is your legitimate son, you need not join Nemi in his petition to adopt him. Thank you for your growing trust in People's Television. Do email us your questions at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.